Engineering is a constantly evolving field.
There is always this challenge of whether somebody wants to be continuing the technical journey or should somebody get into management.
We become so focused on the technology that we sometimes forget that leadership is a contact sport.
As a leader, you need to be able to work with manufacturing, with marketing, with the supply chain, customer support, with executives. So you need to have a really wide skill set.
I think the overall goal of the EML program is to prepare technical professionals like myself to lead diverse tech industries.
The program was born asking industry, what are your needs? How can we meet them?
We did benchmark with the industry and we did benchmarking with academia, and we really took the best of the both.
It has that flexibility built in to adapt to changes so that the students have the most advanced knowledge, the most advanced tools that they can use.
The future looks very bright for this program.
Don't be afraid to take the first step. It's only going to help you. It's going to open up new opportunities.
Our students are going to really create an impact in the industry.